Who are you? And what the hell are you doing to my crew?
My team has been observing you and conducting tests.
Tests? I'd call them mutilations.
I can understand why you're angry. I don't like causing people to suffer, but sometimes it's a necessary part of my work.
What kind of work is that?
Medical research. We're scientists, like you.
From where I stand, you're a hostile invasion force. I want to know how long you've been here and exactly what you've been doing to us.
I can't answer those questions. It's a breach of protocol for me to be speaking to you at all.
Oh, how convenient. That way you never have to face your victims.
Captain, please, you're exaggerating the situation. Our techniques are as benign as we can make them.
What I've been through for the last few days certainly hasn't felt benign.
Please understand that there's a purpose to our actions. The data we gather from you may help us cure physical and psychological disorders that afflict millions. Isn't that worth some discomfort?
I'm sure you'd see things differently if your people were the ones being subjected to these experiments.
Just as your perspective would change if your people were the ones to live longer and healthier lives as a result. Don't forget, we've been observing you, Captain. I know the most important thing to you is the welfare of your crew. You'd even kill to protect them.
If necessary.
Of course you would. You take care of your own, just as we do. We're really more similar than you care to admit.
That's where you're wrong. What you're doing isn't self-defense. It's the exploitation of another species for your own benefit. My people decided a long time ago that that was unacceptable, even in the name of scientific progress.
You're a remarkably strong-willed individual. I've been very impressed by your self-control over the past several weeks. We've been increasing your dopamine levels, stimulating various aggressive impulses to test your behavioral restraints. There's been a great difference of opinion about how much more strain you can bear.
Not much.
I had hoped you might be more cooperative once you realized the importance of our work.
Sorry, these lab rats are fighting back.
I'm afraid that will be pointless. We're monitoring your attempts to break our control over you. You won't succeed.
We may find that you've underestimated us.
Consider what's in the best interest of your crew. We will be continuing our research. If you make no further attempts to interfere, I assure you that the fatality rate will be minimal, though there may be some deformities. And I would be willing to share our final data with you.
You can't possibly expect me to accept that.
If you don't, then the entire experiment and its subjects will be terminated.